Mastering the Art of Welding, a comprehensive guide. Imagine a world where the strongest structures and most intricate designs are fused together by the art of welding. Welding, at its core, is the process of joining materials, typically metals, by causing fusion, a method that has shaped industries. From the towering skyscrapers to the cars we drive, welding is hidden in plain sight, an unsung hero of engineering marvels. There are various techniques, from the ancient forge welding to modern laser welding, each with its own set of applications and advantages. Safety is paramount in welding, with protective gear and proper ventilation being crucial to safeguard the welder from potential hazards. Innovation in welding technology promises a future where materials stronger yet lighter can be joined, opening new doors in manufacturing. Welding, a blend of science and craftsmanship, continues to evolve, holding together the world in ways unseen but essential.